GMA will congratulate Noynoy once proclaimed. Mamati ka ng Chop? Sino mamati?
Sige. I-Sir Job yung mamati.
President Arroyo will not hesitate to congratulate and call on Filipinos to support Senator Benigno Noynoy Aquino III once he is proclaimed by Congress as the country's new president. Her spokesman... Wala naman ko ginambalan.
Kasi kay Trent, papunta siya dahil Trent yung discuss lang siya. Tapos si R, family's room.
GMA will congratulate Noynoy once proclaimed. President Arroyo will not hesitate to congratulate and call on Filipinos to support Senator Benigno Noynoy Aquino III once he is proclaimed by Congress as the country's new president, her spokesman said yesterday. Deputy Presidential Spokesman Rogelio Payuan said the move would help lower the political temperature and signal the start of a peaceful transition and reconciliation. The President will surely do her rightful part and will definitely congratulate the winner immediately after the proclamation to be made by the National Board of Canvassers that the country must expect, Payuan told a news briefing. I'm sure that's going to be the first move of the President the moment she learns of the result of the national canvassing, he said. I surmise the President will call on the entire nation to unite behind the news leadership, he said. He said Arroyo's gesture is expected to help clear the political air and open the doors to reconciliation. Definitely, that reconciliation will be the best thing that will happen to us, he said. It would surely matter for the entire nation hearing the sitting president extending her congratulatory words or message to the winners of the elections, Payuan said.